Hey guys, today, let's learn how to use Apple Maps offline on iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and use the Apple Maps offline, even if you are not connected with Wi-Fi or your self-data, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to launch the Apple Maps option, and I want you to tap on your profile picture over here on the search field. Now, let's tap on offline maps. As you see, you can actually go ahead and download a new map and basically use Apple Maps offline. So tap on download new map, and all we need to do from here is to choose a specific location. I want to go ahead and, well, use offline. In this case, I could choose my current location and then basically just choose a specific radius. That is right here. Basically, the larger you choose, the more file size it will take for it to be downloaded onto your device. So I'm gonna choose this radius right here and tap on download, and then to download was gonna be basically start. And then from there, you can now use Maps offline. So we are gonna have the option to only use Maps offline, but this is of course just gonna use the downloaded maps if you are well offline. But in this case, if you have downloaded maps right here, even if you're online, you could still view the map. And when you are offline, of course, you could only view the maps that you have downloaded under this action. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And take care.